you for joining me today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what to do with your face when posing. So I'm talking about expression. Now these will be the basics of what to do, and hopefully this can get you started and you can be more relaxed during your photo taking session. So let's get started. So the first and most important thing is to maintain a relaxed face throughout your photo shoot. I know this is kind of a hard thing to do when you feel nervous and you're like, oh my gosh, and your face is like so tight and tense. So throughout the photo shoot, this may seem a little weird, but it's something I do. It's to help relax the mouth muscles. It takes just 2 seconds. And you can do it anywhere, you can look away and do it, but it's just to help relax your lips and your cheeks. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to open and close your mouth a few times. So now that you have a more relaxed face, the first one is very easy. Everyone can do it, it's just no practice involved, and that is just pretty much a simple closed mouth, not pinched, so you want just a soft, resting expression to where kind of like you're agreeing with someone. Number 2 is going to be a slightly, and I mean very slightly, open mouth. And that is to help the lips relax and seem very soft and gentle. When you have small lips like me, it's hard to tell if you're opening your mouth or not, and we don't have that natural pout. So if you have thin lips like me, this is gonna work wonders in giving you a pout. Okay, so you're just gonna open your mouth a little bit and you're gonna kind of just relax your jaw as if it's just kind of like, I don't want to say it, but like you're like a kind of face, like you have no clue on what you're doing. So just drop the jaw and relax the face. So the next one is going to be a same open mouth one, but there is a little tip that really works. What you're going to do is you're going to take your tongue, so the tip of your tongue, and you're gonna put it, or gently rest it on the upper teeth, not here, but in the back. So I'm gonna show a really weird example. It's gonna be dramatic so you can see. It really does make a difference when the photo is up close and tight. You can really see the difference. That's gonna help give you a more relaxed variety of, if you can't do the open mouth one or you're having trouble with that one, this one will kind of help you. The teeth will be your guide. So I hope that these tips were helpful to you. That being said, please subscribe and also hit the like button so that other people can find this and can enjoy having better expressions in their photos. And I'll see you next time.